Welcome to the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. The AT4 is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Jumping into the interior of the Sierra, power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating, drivability dial, push button 4x4, automatic headlights and fog lights, a leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, column shifter, push button ignition. We have a nice large 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seating, wireless charging pad. Truck is equipped with the integrated chiller braking there. You have parking sensors front and rear, trash control. Vehicle has the dual glove box as well, locking bottom, Bose audio, and our heated and ventilated Sierra AT4 seating with the stitching in the headrest. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Sierra AT4, we have the 20-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Trail Runner AT tires, a nice all-terrain comfort tire. We do have the color-matched door handles with keyless entry, AT4 badging on the front door, 6.2 liter plaque. The AT4 is equipped with the factory 2-inch leveling lift kit up front, bringing in that front end a little taller. You do have the LED daytime running lamps as well, turn signals, fog lights, parking sensors, camera system, signature red tow hooks, color-matched front bumper and grille. Making our way to the back, rear tinted privacy windows on the crew cab, blacked out window trim. No chrome visible on the vehicle except for your Sierra badging and your dual chrome exhaust tips coming out of that rear bumper. Of course, trailer tow package, GM MultiPro tailgate, and LED brake lights. Jumping into the interior of the AT4 here, second row, leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready with the in-seat storage feature, a sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top, LED lighting, and a nice single pane sunroof. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-on video on the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.